Hey guys, today I'm going to challenge Duolingo chess again. You have to see me winning. Are you ready? Then let's start. Okay. Now go to chess. Warm up first or matches? I will choose matches. Play Oscar, do the XP or play person. Maybe Oscar. A person is harder.
I've been practicing my gracious winner face.
What is a gracious winner face?
Mine now.
What?
Ah, check. But why?
My chance to castle.
And mine.
What? Oh no.
See ya, little guy. Deep breaths, Oscar. Some pawns aren't built to last.
That's easy.
See ya, little guy.
Very easy.
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn.
You don't know me. How I win.
I'll miss that one.
Because I win.
So be it. Check me.
Let's see. Maybe I can make a trap?
Yes, queen.
What? Yes!
Queen!
Sorry, I love you exchange.
Should have seen that coming.
Knight?
I'm just glad you didn't make it a queen.
I didn't want to.
Ah, an even exchange.
Scared. I might lose. I'm so scared.
I see dead pieces.
I always face my fear. And I'm ready to win. I'm one step closer to winning. Yes!
Just don't let it go to your head.
I won the first round. Champion? I'm not surprised. I taught you everything I know. Yes!
Dad, can we get Super Duolingo? We can do a free trial.
But what if you change your mind? What if I forget to cancel?
Don't worry. They send a reminder 2 days before your trial ends.
Huh? Okay.
Oh, a 79 days strike. You're only 1 week from hitting your longest strike ever. Almost there. Yes. 1 week away from hitting my longest ever strike. My longest ever strike is 85. If I get 86, then I could beat it. And 86 will be my longest ever strike. Play Oscar.
Time to make that king go boom. Ah, an even exchange.
Your king go boom.
Don't worry, Oscar. You didn't need her anyway.
Easy catch.
See ya, little guy. Goodbye, noble steed. You took my bishop.
Easy.
Su casa es mi casa. I see dead pieces. You didn't need that rook, did you?
What?
Sorry. Not sorry.
I did not expect it to do that.
Su casa es mi casa.
Oh no.
Don't mind if I do. Must you ruin all my plans? I'll miss that one.
You checked me, then I checked you.
Check me. Yes, queen. You took my bishop.
I should have seen that coming.
Oh, the audacity. Ah, an even exchange. I'll take those points.
With those pieces I want,
Check.
I'll be able to make a ladder mate. As easy as I want.
Ah, check. Tricky little fella.
Oh.
That was my favorite pawn.
Um, hmm. And queen promotion.
A pretender to the throne.
Hey.
Knight down.
Yes. Oh.
Ah, check. You got me.
I won 2 rounds in a row. Because it was easy.
Dad, can we get Super Duolingo? We can do a free trial.
But what if you change your mind? What if I forget to cancel?
Don't worry. They send a reminder 2 days before your trial ends.
Huh? Okay.
Yes. I earned 1 quiz point. Score 80% or higher in 4 lessons. Complete the next 4 lessons. Oh, common chess. Play Oscar. Okay. Re-
Losing isn't an option for me.
it has to be an option for you.
Me, worried, never.
Easy. Oh no.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your king.
Wait, no.
Pawn? Yawn. You monster. It had a name. That was my favorite pawn. This is fine. What a nightmare. He tried his best. Ah, an even exchange.
What?
Check.
That's queen, isn't yours?
I didn't need that rook anyway. Check.
Oh.
The queen is mine.
What?
Sorry. Not sorry. You took my bishop. So be it. I'll admit it. That one hurt. He tried his best. Check, please. And mine. Check. Check, please. Check. Pawn? Yawn. Oscar, stop blundering your pieces. Check, please. Careful, my apprentice. Check. That's a shame. Check, please. Sweet Majesty.
Got it. Now it's my chance.
Should have kept my eye on that one. It's okay to gloat when you promote. Nice check. King went boom.
And the winner. What if I'm too good of a teacher? Did you like how I won all of the chess matches? If you did, then subscribe and follow for more chess matches I could win. Bye-bye.